So hello, namaste guys. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being positive and being happy. So if you are new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, okay, share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing, thank you for the support, guys. In the description box I have my Instagram page. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. So the pick a card for today, the reading for today so the topic is messages from your higher self. So what your higher self wants you to know, so that's the topic for today. So I have 3 groups here. So you can go by the numbers, and I have selected I have picked up some charms also for you guys. We will be talking about that also in the video. So for this group 1, we have this number 8 for the group 1. Then for the group 2, we have number 7, and for my group 3 3. So this is the pile. I feel you might be seeing numbers like 333 or something like that. Okay, if you're seeing that, I feel like there might be a message for you guys there. So yeah, so 1, 2 and 3. So close your eyes, relax, and just allow yourself to completely relax and just pick a pile that you connect intuitively. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So if you want more time, please go ahead and pause the video, and in the description box I'll be giving the timestamp, so you can go ahead and watch. Okay, so I'll just go with the first group, and I want to say that this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, I will go with the first group. So we are gonna go with the first group first. Okay, so the number you got is number 8, right? So for my group 1s, so what are the messages for my group 1s, people? Okay, so we have this number 8. Number 8 is all about like abundance and stability. There are 2 fours here. Fours are about stability, and stability, security, right? And this, I feel like number 8 is about abundance coming to your life, maybe financially or emotionally. Finally the abundance is coming where I feel the things were slow for you because you have this tortoise, but they are going to be definitely stable. So I feel for this pile, nothing comes easy for this pile. You have to work hard, right? So yeah, your higher self was saying like that you need to work hard because this is going to be lifelong. This is not going to be for just one season. So if you put your effort now, you will win the race, and it will be long term. And tortoise, all I feel like that these turtle is all about they're lucky. Luck is by your side, I feel like that. And we got the 8 number also, and look, we have this wheel of fortune also here. So I feel like that the wheel of fortune, so you have this luck now, so lucky times are coming ahead. I feel like that for you. And we have this tortoise, and the funny thing, we have this rabbit head also here, right? So yeah, rabbit is a very fast, they have so much of energy, and this is like slow. So I feel the thing that was slow is going to be like speeding up for you guys a little bit. Okay, you will have the energy to do the things, and rabbits are also about abundance, I feel like that. So yes, it's all over. I feel like the higher self wants you to know that abundance is coming. Don't worry. I feel it's kind of they're like comforting you and saying it's okay, you have worked hard, it's okay, the time is coming. Okay, just be patient. Divine timing is very important here. You just keep working hard, don't lose hope, because every time that happens, we'll lose hope. And so you have to keep moving like a tortoise. Things are gonna be okay, be stable, just don't lose hope, just keep moving. You will reach there. Okay, you will definitely reach there. So yeah, that is what your higher self wants you to know. So let's see from the tarots what we have. Look, the devil energy and the 6 of pentacles. Okay, so for many of you, you are obsessing about I kind of feel like that, about money, finances, or maybe you have certain belief system about your finances also, that you will not get. you will not get the money you deserve, or you have been working hard, but or the money that is not coming, it's not coming, the money is not coming, you feel like that. You're just putting the effort, and maybe many of you are obsessing, many of you are like, the Capricorn energy is coming here, the devil is about the Capricorn energy, right? So I feel like that. And 15, the funny thing is we have this 15 here, that is 1 plus 5 6, and then we have 6, right? 6 is all about relationship, harmony, balance coming, responsibility, you are able to manage everything, the balance is coming. Okay, we have this, I feel, the Libra energy where everything is balanced for you. So the things were not good for you, I feel like that. In the past we have this devil energy, so you have some fear about your finances, or maybe maybe in a relationship you have a fear where you're not able to receive, it's not a balanced relationship or something like that, that was, you were tied down, but finally I feel like that you are getting out of the situation. Or I feel the higher self wants you to know that you can get out of the situation where there will be balance coming into your life. So whether it's finances or whether it's your relationship, you need to let that fear out of yourself. Okay, you shouldn't obsess about things, you should just work hard and keep moving instead of overthinking, instead of that fear based energy. You have this fear based energy here, you're obsessive about something or someone, so that needs to go. Okay, you shouldn't be you shouldn't be thinking about your outcome, instead you should be just enjoying the journey and having like a fun thing, playful energy that is not there. There is so much of overthinking here. So I feel like that you need to get out of this chain, because you have changed, you are the one who is like controlling yourself and not moving, thinking, so it's important you just lose that up and get out, because you can take this chain out and get out of the situation. So whatever the situation is, whether it's a relationship or anything, job, anything, but I feel like the things are going to be balanced. So this imbalance here, you had like so much of fear based energy here, but from this you're going to be a place where you will be receiving things that will be in balance. I feel like that, because this Libra, I feel the scales are here, so you will get the money you deserve, or you will get the love you deserve. I feel like that the balance is coming, the abundance, the financial abundance, because you have this 8 number, but things have been slow, that's why you're very, very fearful about the things. You must be obsessing about things, you must be overthinking about things. So just you need to let go, you need to free from that, you need to free from that and let that go, let that energy go. Okay, don't overthink about anything, just have this playful energy, that's important, because if you keep on overthinking, then the manifestations will come slow. Okay, so that is also here. So your higher selves want you to know. Yeah, look at this 2 cards here. Look, comparison and go with the flow. So this is Ace of Cups here and comparison. So you need to go with the flow. I feel many of you are overthinkers here, thinking about the future, thinking about the outcome, thinking about your career, thinking about the outcome of a relationship, everything like that. So your higher self wants you to know that it's the time to go with the flow. You don't have to stop anything, you don't have to restrict yourself, just go with the flow, because your energy is so fear based. You need to cut it out. And many of you are comparing yourself to other people. There is no use of comparing, they are saying. Okay, your journey is completely different from other people. Okay, so these 2 trees are very, very different. You cannot compare these 2 trees, right? These 2 trees have different they look different, their qualities are different, their journey is different. So like that only your journey is different, completely different from other people. So you don't have to compare yourself with with anyone. So maybe your sister or your brother who are doing good, you don't have to compare yourself to them. You just need to just follow your journey, follow your path, and just let this out, let this fear based energy go. That's what they are saying. Instead focus on the things you can do, instead focus on your work, instead focus on improving yourself, and being kind and meditating and relaxing, and not comparing yourself to others. Don't think that time is running away, because time is not going anywhere. You can achieve it, and just be confident in yourself. That's what I feel like that. And the next is like downloads and understanding. So this is like these people are connected to the divine, you're connected to your higher self. So listen to your higher self, because of this ego, sometimes what happened, because of this fear based energy, your ego speaks and you are not able to hear your intuition. So it's important to meditate, because meditation would give you peace, and you will get the answers you want. Okay, because there is Lady Venus, and Lady Venus is all about love. You need to be more you need to love yourself. You are worthy of everything in your life. So maybe there are other people who maybe that's also the reason, because some other people might compare you. Look, they have done this, where are you? Maybe you don't have to let them that kind of people tell you what you are doing in your life. Don't anyone tell you what you are. Respect yourself. Self-worth is very, very important here. You are beautiful. You're beautiful inside and out, because this Lady Venus energy is here. You're all about love. You should love yourself. If you are feeling that you're not worthy, don't think. You are worthy. You are unique. You have this connection to the astral realm that you can get guidance. Your spirit guides, your angels are with you. They are giving you guidance, but you're not able to hear it because of this fear based energy. Okay, so it's important you cut that out. Meditate. For many of you, if you meditate, I feel you will get the guidance and you will be able to make the changes. So it's important you make the changes in your daily life, in your thinking. That's the thing. That's the thing you have to do here, and everything will flow. When when the energy flows, everything manifests in your life. Because here I see that you're restricting that energy, right, because of this devil. So it's important you need to concentrate on yourself, your self-worth. Don't listen to other people, what they have to say. If they're comparing yourself to another people, it's their problem, it's not your problem, right? It's their energy. They let them do what they want to do. You don't have to focus on that anyways. Okay, for you, I feel many of you will know why all these happen, why you have to learn certain things the harder way. You will get the answers, you will receive answers, you will understand, you will have a deep understanding about the things. I feel like that your higher self is providing with you that. I feel like that. So your higher self is telling you to connect with the divine. Okay, so I feel like that your higher self is telling you to connect with your divinity. Okay, so whatever, maybe some of the people are spiritual, you have some spiritual career or something like that. Maybe you are tarot card readers or something like that. If you are connect with it, connect with your divinity, or whatever you do, maybe some connect with your spirit guides. That's it. Connect with your with yourself, with your divinity, what you are. Just be respectful of yourself. Don't allow other people to tell what you need to do in your life, because you know better. Your guidance is strong here. You are getting the guidance. So please don't let the ego tell you what you need to do. Just let this ego die. I feel like that's because of this fear. There is confusion. There is a lot of confusion here because of this fear. Okay, you don't know what you need to do. Sometimes you feel like that. Are you on the right path? You feel like that. You keep feeling about the things like, am I going right, or am I just doing everything wrong? Because you might have had failures. But for many of you, I feel like that is important. You just get out of this fear-based energy. Have utter faith in the universe. Have utter faith that your spirit guides and angels are letting you know that that they're working working with you, and with your dreams. I feel like your dreams will also come true. For many of it might be your finances are not doing good, and you're feeling when they will do good or something like that. So it's important you have this gratitude also when you achieve success, because some of you might not do that, because you will be heading towards the next goal. Because we have this Capricorn energy, because Capricorn energy, you want a little bit of recognition, you want a little bit of power. So you don't have to obsess about these things. You just have to concentrate on your divinity and just move forward. You are gonna get your answers. Okay, so you don't have to worry about things, and I feel there will be peace coming here with the six of I feel there is like going to be like a little bit of balance in the relationship and in the finances. So the only thing you have to do is this: let this fear-based energy go. Let it go. Let the past go. Don't think too much about future, and don't compare yourself to anyone else. If any other people is comparing yourself to others, just stand up for your beliefs and tell them the truth. I am like this only. you don't have to say anything to me. You have to stand up for your beliefs. Okay, I feel you are very spiritual also, and so just concentrate on that. Keep moving forward. Take your power back. Okay, don't let anyone else control you. Okay, because maybe sometimes the fear control us, the mind control us. Don't let the mind control you. You should control your mind, right? So overthinking is there, so you need to let go of that. And when you meditate, when you get inside yourself, you will be able to, you will be able to be aware of the things you're thinking, and you will know when you're thinking bad, when you're thinking positive. So that is what it's needed. So be aware of that. Okay, don't go. I feel this pile is like that kind of overthinkers who think a lot about a situation, even though it's not that problematic also. So it's important you do that. Don't do that. Okay, so that is what your higher self has for you. Okay, but whatever your situation is, you will be getting out of it and going into a place where you will have balance, and just you need to go with the flow, and everything happens in your life for a reason. Okay, so you don't have to worry about your anything, and you are on the right path. I feel like I hear that you are on the right path. You're definitely on the right path. It's slow, but it's stable. Okay, you don't have to think about anything else. Just keep on working, go on with the flow. Don't restrict yourself. So let's pull out an extra message for you. Okay, that came out fast. You're on the right. I was talking about that, right? So you're on the right path, guys. So don't worry about. Maybe for many of you, you had this question. Am I on the right path? Yes, you are on the right path. The way ahead is clear and true. Look, going with the flow here. Just go with the flow. Okay, you have chosen the right path for you. Okay, you don't have to overthink about anything. Just go with the flow, because there is this fear-based energy. As I was saying, there is abundance, there is this wheel of fortune turning. The wheel is turning in your favor, but this fear-based energy should go. Okay, you need to let it go. You need to let go of this control things you have. Maybe you are thinking that you are not able to achieve success. You think that you are not capable. Just let that all go. You don't have to do that. Okay, that's what your higher self wants you to know. So that's all I have for group 1 people. So hello my group 2, whoever chose this number 7. So 7 is a very lucky number. So you're going to be lucky. Your higher self wants you to know that you're lucky people. Okay, so you have the solution. Every solution is there. You have the problem. You're the problem solver. I feel like that. And your higher self wants you to know that through having fun, you can solve a problem. You don't have to be too serious about things. Have fun. Don't stress anything, because when you are in this playful energy, when you get the answers to your problems, I feel like that. And moon cycles are important for you. I feel like that. So your feelings, through your feelings you might get some answers. So please take a note on that also, what you're feeling when you're dreaming, what you felt. So that might be important for you guys. Okay, so your higher self wants you to know that I feel your dreams are also important. So take a look on that also. Then what you have 7 of swords. Okay, then look at this. You have Ace of Pentacles, and you got 1 card extra. That is the World card also here. Wow, beautiful, right? You are gonna get all the success. The higher self wants you to know. So you have this problem, this 7 of swords. There were people who were not so good, right, in your life. They were gossiping about you. They were like telling things that was not good. Okay, they were not trustworthy. You might have had relationships where people were not trustworthy, but finally things are moving. Okay, you don't have to be in this energy. You don't have to be this fear-based energy, because things are moving for you, because you have Ace of Pentacles. So there is this, the door is opening for abundance. Okay, so finally, maybe many of you are leaving a career or something that was very, very toxic, you are finally leaving a toxic environment and going into a place where there is happiness. I feel like that, because where there is success, the completion of a cycle, the world, for many of you, you might travel also. So your higher self wants you to know that you will travel, okay, and the cycle is ended. A cycle that was not good for you has ended. You're going to be lucky. I feel like there is an inflow of abundance coming into your life. There is like the money path, a money path is looking towards you. So just go with the flow. Don't stress about the things. If you have lost a job, or if you have if your relationship, if that has ended because of this person or someone else, a situation has ended, don't worry, because new beginnings are up the way for you. This pile, I feel this is a new beginning, and in this new beginning, you maybe you are very you are in this energy where you're stressing about the things, how it will go for you, because changes are difficult for us human beings, right? We are not so happy about changes. Sometimes it is difficult for us, but for you it's a very positive change. You're going towards success, and you will have all the things you will need in your life. You have everything, okay? You don't have to worry about anything, right? And I feel for many of you, you are going through a spiritual awakening also, because we got the 7 numbers. So you are getting the answers to your to your problems. You're getting the solutions. So you will, for many of you, you might be relocating somewhere, so that is also going to happen, and that will give you a new beginning, happiness. New people are coming into your life, trustworthy people. I feel like that is also coming here. Yeah, so I feel like happiness is coming. Look, intensity, and we have flowering. Beautiful cards to get. Look at this. From the 7 of Swords energy, you're completely moving away, okay? You don't have to stress about anything in your life. You're lucky people. And this Queen of Pentacles, you will be you will be glowing from inside and out. I feel there is a makeover happening in your life. From inside and out, you're changing, you're transforming, new beginnings are coming, and this new beginning is going to transform you, where there will be people who will be happy for you, and you will be happy for other people, okay? These kind of people are getting out of your life. They are not anymore in your life. So because you are glowing from inside, because you are you are getting into the spirituality. I feel many of you are new to this area. You're growing from inside, your self growth, you're growing, and you're moving towards that. You're moving towards your goals, you're moving towards your happiness in your life. So keep on doing that. You're doing good. You're because you are getting out of this relationship, or whatever it is, whatever the situation is, your higher self wants you to know that you're doing good, okay? You are glowing, you're transforming. You're maybe this was a life lesson for you, and that is your past. You need to let it go, and you need to keep moving forward, because success, I mean, because you got the world card, right? The world card is the most favorable card in the tarot, and so you got the world card. You are, maybe many of you are going to travel, many of you are going to achieve your dreams are going to come true, okay? Just be happy. You will be happy, you will be lucky, okay? They want you to know that. Just keep moving forward, with the intensity. This is Knight of Wands energy here, and Queen of Pentacles energy. So keep moving towards your goals, whatever your business idea, or whatever your career, or whatever self-employment you want to do. Just keep on going, moving forward, because for many of you, I feel like that the self-employment will give you the success, because this is the Ace of Pentacles energy, and you have this Queen of Pentacles energy here. So yes, you will be feeling successful, you will be feeling happy, you will have the money, you will have everything. You are maturing also at the same time. So there is like this self growth is also there. So so I feel like your higher self wants you to know that you have done good, you're going good. Just keep on moving like this only. I feel like that. Look at this vibrational. Your vibrational is shifting from this, from the 7 of Swords energy to a vibration where you are going to be very successful, and you are not with these kind of people anymore. I feel like that you have just left these people out, and so that's why your life is also changing, in a good way. There is changes, there's definitely changes happening in your life, but everything is going good. This pile is the luckiest pile. I feel like that. You're very lucky pile. Okay, life force. Again, we got this intensity. I feel like that you're expressing yourself, and look, express your driving passions, and sensual and sexual powers are increased. So yes, your powers are increased. This green color, look at this green color, this abundance color. We have this, I was talking about that, right? You're lucky, you're going to be very lucky, and you will be happy in your life, and you will have this force, this intensity to do, to move towards your goals and keep moving ahead, and everything you will be expressing yourself. Your creativity will be so high. So many of you, I feel you are doing some creative projects, and you will be very successful in that also. Okay, so just keep on moving forward, because success is your path. I feel like that for many of you, you will be successful, and your higher self wants you to know that. Just keep on moving forward, don't stop. Your vibration is shifting, you are getting into higher vibration. Okay, from these lower vibration things, you're getting moving far away. But in this process, many people will not be there with you. Okay, many friends will not be there with you, but it's okay. You're going to a very better place. You're going to a place where you will be happy, right? That is what we need, and you will be attracting the people that are good for you. So that is what is happening, and you will be, I feel many people will be independently doing things they want to do. You don't want anyone else to help you, because you are strong enough to do the things you need to do. You are strong, you are unique, and you are getting into that high vibe. Okay, so just keep moving forward. Success. I hear success for this pile. Okay, so your high self wants you to know that you will be successful. Just keep on moving forward. You're gonna flower, you're gonna glow. I feel many of you are your hair is also like is very beautiful now, and you're just having a makeover and all. I feel like that you're glowing. I feel this pile is glowing. Okay, so that's all I have for group 2. Hope you like my reading. If you like, please give it a like, subscribe. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello my group 3s. Okay, so 3 number you selected. So I feel like this pile is saying 333, and I feel like you're very spiritual beings. You're connecting to your ascendant masters or something like that. So many of you are trying, and you will connect to them. You're different people. You are very spiritual beings. So keep on moving forward with your spirituality. Okay, because if you believe in magic, I feel this pile believes in magic. This pile believes in stars. This pile believes in different aliens and all. No, you are very different from other people. I feel like that, and your higher self is saying that yes, you're so lovable people. Just love yourself. Okay, don't let other people tell you what you need to do. I feel this pile is like they're very much you're a wise soul. You have so much of wisdom, because we have this look from different decks. You got the same card. Okay, same card, that is temperance. Integration and temperance. The balance is coming into your life. So if you were feeling that you're imbalanced, or if you're feeling that you were not in balance, or things were not in balance, so finally balance is coming into your life. Your higher self wants you to know that finally you have done the good work. Pat on your back, because you're doing good. Just keep on moving forward. Your divine masculine and divine feminine energy is like getting balanced. For many of you, I feel like that you are gonna meet your spiritual counterparts or something like that. Spiritual relationship is also coming. I feel like that, because of this divine masculine and divine feminine, you are becoming one or something like that is also coming. The balance is definitely coming. The Sagittarius energy. You might be a Sagittarius, and Sagittarius is about learning, exploring. You want to know the truth about everything. You're so much in this learning phase. You are educating yourself about your spirituality. You're getting deeper into your spirituality. You're getting into the next stage. You know so many things that other people don't know. Okay, so you're very, very, very wise soul. So you know so many things that other people don't know, and you can help other people with your advice. Your motivation will help other people. Okay, you need to remember that. Okay, the other 2 cards here is Justice card. Okay, so remember, again we talk about balance. Look at this balance, and you have this master number 11. Okay, so yeah, You have this illumination, you have so much to give to this world. You are so peaceful people, I feel like that your life is going to be very very well balanced because of your spirituality. You're such spiritual beings, and you're connecting to the divine. You can connect to the divine. You're like a medium where you get the downloads and you can help other people with that. Okay, you always look at the bigger picture. Look at this, you have this new vision, and we can see this triangle, right, this triangle. And triangle is like very you need to go and search, go inside that. There's like mind, body and soul, everything is connected. You have a different vision right now. You are growing in your spirituality, and you have so much of awareness inside you. You know what you need to do. This pile is so spiritual. You are so connected to the divine. You know what you need to do. You have this new vision and where you are moving forward. So remember that your intuition is very strong, and whatever you think is like, trust it. Okay, because the next card you have, look, Master Buddha, increased awareness, deep connection, trust your inner voice. So your inner voice is so strong here. Look at this, your third eye is also open, so you can see, you might have spiritual gifts. You can see the vision, you can see the future. I feel like that for many of you have that deep connection with the divine, and you know so many things that other people don't know. So you will be helping people. So many of you are going to help other people. So you are meant for, you are doing your soul purpose. So if you're questioning that, you are on your soul purpose. I feel like that you're meant to do this. You're meant to help other people. You're going to make other people life balanced, because you will be balanced. You will be always balanced. I feel like that. And you're learning, you're growing, and you will be helping other people in this process. So your soul purpose is to help other people. I don't know how you're gonna help, but definitely you're meant to help other people through your soul purpose, and you're finding out that, and you're moving forward, because your vision is different now. The way you were thinking before, you are completely different now. You have this immense self growth that has been there, and you have so much of awareness. So just completely trust your inner voice, because that is what you have to do in your life. Okay, and I feel many of you can do this Akashic records also. If you will try, you will be able to go there also and help other people also with that. Also, you have so much of awareness here. Look, I was talking about this. Look, the star seed, so surfacing. So the emotions, your spiritual gifts are surfacing. You are understanding why are you here. This pile is like they were questioning why I am here, what is my purpose, and finally you're understanding your purpose. So your higher self is saying, just go with it within. Okay, just go inside yourself. You have so much of knowledge inside you that you don't want anyone else to say what you're meant to do in this world. You're star, you belong to the stars. You're like different alien type of you were trying to fit in with other people, but you are not able to fit in, right? Because their concept of life is different, your concept of life is different. Now you're like letting it go, and you're finding balance within you, and you're having this vision that you are able to help other people, and because of that you will be able to understand what are your gifts, because you're gifted, and you will be able to help other people. So these kind of emotions are coming, and you will be able to understand more and more and more. Okay, so just keep doing what you're doing, because you're doing good, and you will be able to help more people, and you will have all the this kind of pile where people will be coming towards you, because you know so much, and you will be helping other people. I feel like this. Through your spirituality, you will be making people aware of the things. You will be motivating people, and you will be giving guidance to people. So many of your gifts, many of you are just exploring your gifts. I feel like that, but you will be able to move forward. So just keep on moving forward. Don't lose hope. Just keep on moving forward, and balance will be there. Life will be balanced, and I feel Archangel Michael is there with you. So keep call him for assistance. He will be helping you. Okay, so you have so much of knowledge, and these all will be surfacing. Okay, so just keep on learning, keep on moving towards your spirituality, and meditate. You will get the answers, because you are different from other people. You are meant to help other people. You are connected with the stars, and maybe you have always tried to fit in, but now you know why you were not able to fit in. Okay, because you are different from that. Okay, you came to this earth to help other people, and just you are going to follow that and keep moving forward. Okay, don't don't let anyone stop you from doing what you want to do, okay? Because you're meant to do this and you're meant to help other people. This is your soul purpose. So many of you are doing your soul purpose, and I feel you will find a relationship also that is balanced. Yeah, justice is there. So everything what you have been working for is not going to be wasted, okay? Everything happened for a reason, and you will get all the things, your karma. Maybe all soul lessons also were playing out because of the karma needed to be balanced. I feel your karma is also being balanced, and that's why you will be able to move forward, okay? So whatever happened, that all happened for a reason. You don't have to question it, and I feel like you know about it because your inner guidance is so strong here. So let's pull out an extra message for you guys. So keep going. Look at this. I told about moving forward, right? So this is the advice. The world at times is big and loud, but we will make sure you're safe and sound. So your fairies are also with you. So you're so divinely guided people. Oh my God! Just keep moving forward. Don't stop. Continue with your spirituality because you are meant to help other people. Okay, you have so much inside of you. You have this light inside of you, and you are going to give that light to other people. Okay, you have gone through all these things in your life because you were learning something. You were balancing your karma because you had to learn the soul lessons. Okay, now it's time to keep on going. It's time to help other people. It's time to explore your gifts and just keep on moving forward. Okay, so 333s are very important. Just go and give a Google search. You will get more insight to that. And a triangle also, I feel like that also, like mind, body and soul. So whatever you're doing, you will get the justice. Okay, remember that you are loved, you are divinely guided. This is the most spiritual pile. Okay, so that's all I have for group 3. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.